Here's your Maintenance Minute with Eduardo Porta.
Maintenance. It's very good to keep up with your maintenance. If you don't have an owner's manual in a car, you can look online, you can search, look up for your car year, manufacturer, and then go by the manufacturer standards. If they recommend that you do your maintenance every 30,000 or every 40 or 60, do your maintenance because it's important for your vehicle. Spark plugs replacement. The people today, they forget those. For each car, each manufacturer, it's a different schedules. And then it's very important you know which one is your car. You keep your car maintained, you keep the life on your car.
This Maintenance Minute has been brought to you by Fremont Foreign Auto, servicing all makes and models, specializing in classics, exotics, and European vehicles. Call today, 510-793-6067. That's 510-793-6067. Or visit FremontForeignAuto.com.